In this video, we will demonstrate the vehicle disassembly and T-harness installation for select Subaru vehicles. The vehicle used in this demonstration is a Subaru Forester and is similar to all supported vehicles. Remove the vehicle trim to the left of the steering wheel. Turn on the vehicle in order to freely rotate the steering wheel. Rotate the steering wheel to access the screws underneath. Unscrew the screws and remove them. Using the pry tool, unsnap the vent to the right of the steering wheel. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two screws located on the underside of the instrument cluster. Unsnap the lower steering wheel column cover. Unsnap the instrument cluster cover. Remove the connector on the back side of the cluster cover. Remove the instrument cluster cover. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws on the top and bottom of the instrument cluster. Pull out the instrument cluster. Remove the cluster connector on the back side of the instrument cluster. Remove the instrument cluster. All the connections will be made at the keyless access ECU. Remove the top 30-pin connector from the module and plug the T-harness labeled A in line. Remove the bottom 28-pin connector from the module and plug the T-harness labeled B in line. Use the provided zip ties to secure the module. Installation is now complete. Please refer to the guide for programming instructions. Operating instructions. Before using the remote start, make sure the vehicle's doors are closed and locked. Press lock on the OEM key fob 3 times. Press unlock on the OEM key fob. Enter the vehicle. Without pressing the brake, press the push to start button once. Shift the vehicle into gear and enjoy the ride.